Good evening. So I have set up a little area here in the basement because I've got nowhere to work really at home. I can only really do repair stuff at my dad's old workshop. But sometimes I want to do some stuff at home. Don't worry, I will have a workshop soon, and hopefully it'll be as good as Colin's from French Countryside Life, because I really have workshop envy with that one. Anyway, today we have a Metabo grinder that my brother uses to run a concrete grinding disc for what do you call it, screed, for leveling out the screed. But he's noticed recently that it's not working so well and making noises and not working properly. So I thought I'd have a quick look, and first thing I noticed is this spindle doesn't really sound 100%. So let's have a look inside and see why that is like it is. Yeah, look. Definitely, it looks like a bearing or something like that. Let's get these screws out and have a quick look. That was a bit easy, almost like someone's done it before. Dave. At the moment I have about 10 things in parts. I have no idea how I'm going to put them back together because I didn't take any pictures. Right. Ooh. Interesting. Let's have a look. This is obviously very loose inside that housing, and here, look, there's a lot of grease, but sad to say, a lot of metal. All right, well, the teeth on that don't look too bad, and actually the teeth on here don't look too bad either. It's this bit we're interested in, look. $17mm and 11. Let's see what happens. That's a twist. Did not expect that. Oh wait, one like that, one like that. I've got a feeling those two washers assembled like that, it's quite important. So we'll keep them that way for now. And then another washer. Oh my goodness. Another two washers. This is complicated. Okay, so now we have the bearing in there, look. And yes, that's not right. Yes, so it is separate, look. The spindle is separate. So what does that leave us with? Let's have a look. Let's see if this inside bearing will come out. Kind of. Interesting. There's something else there. Another washer. They like the washers. Alright, look. Aye. That's the problem. 100%. Let me clean this up. It's not supposed to sound like that. Okay, that's it. Next time I see you will be when I get the new part. Welcome back. It's 4 months. That's how long it's taken to get this spare part. 4 months. It's now November. Anyway, here is the replacement bearing part that we've seen. It looks plastic, whereas that's metal, but I think it's been upgraded, or the part's been changed for cheaper or more like. Anyway, so let's put this bearing in and put some grease in and then see how we get on. Similar sizes, similar outline, definitely made of plastic, but there's a little rubber seal on the end there. This comes with one built in, which is good, and a rubber seal at the back, and that has one also. The one thing it doesn't have is the spring. I don't know if you can see. So we're going to take the spring off that and put it on there. It's the first thing, which is quite straightforward. You can actually do this by hand. There we go. Simple as that. So that's it. We don't really need any more of this. All we need to do is assemble it. First thing we've got to do is get this through there. Right, so we need to put this in here. More grease. More grease. Grease everywhere. So we need to put the put the little washer and now we need to put these washers on in order. Two little washers. Like that. Make sure they go around it. That's it. And the spindle. And then these washers, do you remember the from the original? So they're sort of dome shape. like that. So 1, 2, this is tricky. And then this is a little lip on one side that goes down and then screws on. Make sure that it goes through the center of the nut of the washer. So now we just need to tighten this up. A couple of spanners. Grease in the housing, and they say we need to put 5 grams or 0.2 ounces in there. It's not an awful lot really, but what do I know? Very little. And make sure I get it all round this. And then like that. And just clean off if you get any on the outside. Okay, so I've put some grease on here, so that should there we go, we're in. Okay, this little gadget here is to hold the guard on. Okay, so the way you fit this is put it in place like that, and then you've got to get behind the spring and pull the spring. Gosh, this is tricky, but you pull the spring back towards the body. Done it before, but that's it. Like that. So look, you can see the spring is there pushing that way, and then we can put the bolts back in. That's it, and just tighten the bolts up. There we go. All done. We just need to plug it in and make sure it spins. Perfect. So I'll put the guard back on now, ship it off, and that's it. My brother can do whatever he likes with it now. And that's done. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a look at my other videos for some more things being fixed. And if you like it, you could always buy me a coffee if this helps you fix your grinder. The basic principle is the same, depending on might be different washers, different bolts, but same idea. You can see really that how slack that bearing was, and that's from pushing it too hard. So it's putting in a lot of force on the bearing as it's spinning. But anyway, it's all fixed now, so that's good. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.